Hey everyone, so today we have a video featuring Madam Glam. This is going to be the Easter design for the Secret Garden collection. Right now at the moment, I'm feeling Sunshine Love and Tulip Flame. I'm going to be incorporating some stickers. I'm also going to possibly be doing this mold. I thought it would be pretty to add that in. So we're gonna have to see how this goes. I'm really not totally sure what I want to do yet. I have been having a migraine, so that's I'm totally like my brain is not working today. So I already have my nails prepped. So let's just go ahead and get started. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think they turned out super cute. I was trying to make it look like the basket was sitting in a field of tulips. Over here is what I was trying to do, and then the butterflies, but this one butterfly, he's a little off to the side too much over here. He should have been a little further in. And then, I don't know, I just like the way it turned out. I think it turned out super cute. I tried to incorporate, you know, like a rabbit, but then bows, because I'm really enjoying bows at the moment right now. I don't know. It's kind of giving me like an Easter coquet kind of a, you know, kind of a feel. I really, really like doing the molds. I mean, look at the detail that you can get with the molds. I mean, I just think that is so cool. So for the tulip, I used Tulip Flame, which is the perfect name for my tulip. And then I also used Springtime for the leaves, and then also for the grass down here. I was gonna stamp it, but like I said, I am having the worst migraine today, and it was just like, I am not smelling acetone today or regular polish. There is no way I could handle that. And then my base color was Sunshine Love. I'm really, really enjoying this yellow. I really like this yellow. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I am just so thrilled with the way that this set turned out. This collection is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the Secret Garden collection, oh my gosh, you guys, you really, really need to go grab it. And if you don't like all of the colors in the collection, you can buy them, you know, separately. So you don't have to buy the whole collection if you don't want to. If you do have the VIP membership, and if you've been saving your points, this is a really great way to spend your points. I might even go back in and grab a few extra colors. No, I think it turned out super cute. Thank goodness I have a lot of stickers. But thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. Leave me comments in the description box. You guys, let me know what you think about the design. Let me know what you think about the colors. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.